Welcome back to another real life English speaking podcast. Here I'm your English speaking partner, and today's episode is totally scenario based. There are some scenarios in the podcast. In the first scenario, Tom is sleeping late in the morning, and his sister Michelle is waking him up. In the second scenario, Tom is in a bathroom, and his sister Michelle is in a rush for the toilet. Now, what Michelle will say to her brother to take him out of the bathroom? Grab some food, have your seat, and enjoy the podcast. Let's get started. In the first scenario, Tom is still sleeping, and Michelle is gonna wake him up. Michelle: Tom, it's already late morning. You need to get up now. Tom: Please let me sleep a little longer. I'm exhausted. Michelle: You always say the same thing every single morning. Tom: But last night I slept so late. I need rest. Michelle: That's your fault. You were scrolling your phone till midnight. Tom: I know, but I couldn't stop. The videos were endless. Michelle: Don't give me excuses. I've already cooked and cleaned everything. Tom: You are amazing, but please let me rest a few more minutes. Michelle: A few minutes? A few minutes always turns into hours. I'm not falling again. Tom: Why are you always after me? Can't you just relax? Michelle: Because I'm the one managing the house while you just chill. Tom: I'm not chilling. I'm recovering from last night's heavy workload. Michelle: What workload? Don't pretend. You were just playing games online. Tom: Gaming also takes energy. It's not as easy as you think. Michelle: Don't argue. I'm warning you, get up before mom sees. Tom: If mom asks, I'll tell her I wasn't feeling well. Michelle: Liar? You were perfectly fine. Just too lazy to get up. Tom: Lazy or not, I still need some rest for my brain. Michelle: Stop being dramatic. Everyone in this house wakes up early. Tom: Everyone is different. My body clock works a little bit differently. Michelle: Body clock? That's just another word for your bad habit. Tom: Maybe, but habits are not easy to change overnight, you know? Michelle: Then at least try to improve gradually. Don't make excuses daily. Tom: Alright, I'll try. But can I sleep 10 more minutes? Michelle: No? You already said it 30 minutes ago. Enough is enough. Tom: Please, I promise I'll get up and make breakfast tomorrow. Michelle: You have promised that many times, but never actually kept your word. Tom: This time I'll keep it. Trust me, I'm serious now. Michelle: If you don't keep it, I'll complain straight to dad. Tom: Alright, I'm up now. Just give me 5 minutes. Michelle: No more 5 minutes. Get ready and help me now. Tom: Fine. I'm up for real this time. Don't worry anymore. And now, after a few moments, Michelle: Tom, hurry up. I really need the toilet now. Tom: Just 2 more minutes. I'm almost finished here. Michelle: You always say 2 minutes, but it's never true. Tom: I really meant it this time. I'm washing my hair. Michelle: You could have done it earlier. I am in a rush. Tom: I woke up late today. That's why it's delayed. Michelle: You know, I can't wait. Please come out quickly. Tom: Can't rush. Otherwise, I sleep and hurt myself badly. Michelle: Don't make excuses. You have been inside forever already. Tom: I'm not making excuses. I just need to rinse properly. Michelle: I'll cut off the power if you don't move. Tom: That's not fair. The water will turn freezing suddenly. Michelle: You never think about others, only about yourself. Tom: I do think, but I also need cleanliness and hygiene. Michelle: I'm warning you, I'm gonna call mom immediately. Tom: Okay, but I can't just rush out with soap. Michelle: Then why did you even start shampooing right now? Tom: Because I had oil in my hair from yesterday. Michelle: If you don't come out, I'll really break the door. Tom: Alright, just drying off now. Give me 1 minute. Michelle: But right now, just hurry up and come. Tom: Yes, I'm unlocking the door. Just wait outside.